at the Rethink Tomorrow Summit. Everybody here is a practitioner, they're subject matter experts. One of the highlights is just being in a room full of other people with experience, so you get great insights and different perspectives. Also, it's not just healthcare, which is great because we're all on different parts of the journey. There's a lot of cross-fertilisation of ideas.
Most of the impressive things, how everybody's contributing to that story. Rethink Tomorrow, what is the future actually telling us, into which direction should it go, how can we create connected enterprises, connected ecosystems across industries.
Key highlights are definitely around track and trace and manufacturing, obviously, and the holistic approach, meaning you start in the manufacturing world and then you go through your supply chain, which then contains all the track and trace aspects, and to have a true end-to-end visibility and how you can get the best benefit out of this.
To have an overview of the stakes of different companies and business compared to my company. So, and it as well, very good to open the mind and to see what are the different possibilities and the different architectures that are put in place.
I've seen implementation of product verification, so scanning 2D data matrix and serial numbers, and we've just seen some techniques for how those apps are working and people have integrated them into their systems. And I'm involved in doing that work. And there's some really neat little ideas and tricks and tips that people are sharing here.
The most important thing I really loved was that the participants, they are very much experienced in the work that they are doing. It's more of the hands-on work experience they are sharing with all of us, which is really something very important to me.
What makes this conference different? It's not organised by a conference organising company, and there's nothing wrong with those types of conferences at all. But often you get people there that are there to sell things. But here it did feel more like a user group, people that want to learn from each other.
The quality of the presentations is much better than often in conferences that are produced by professional conference producing companies.
In the past and also this year, Mobilitas has always been able to find very nice venues, so it's really, really good to be here again.
One thing that I'd praise the organisers for is that there's actually been enough time to network. So the coffee breaks are long, the lunches are long, so you're not rushing away. If you want to catch up with 2 or 3 people, you've had the time to do that. That's been brilliant.
Definitely one key element of our summit is the fact that we have our partners here, technology partners, solution partners. Most of them are with us since many years. It's a complementary thing. We are the solution implementation partner for software, but all these track and trace projects, for example, or manufacturing projects, they always have an engineering, a machinery component, and this is what our partners can deliver. So it's really a pleasure to have them again here.
It was a really great event, nice location. Really learned a lot about the industry, or even from companies that are not in our day-to-day industry. For example, UNICEF was worth coming, and we're definitely here next year.